Alright, boys, back at it, you know. Maybe this might even be 2 videos in 1 week. We have a car coming over there. Please don't turn here. We good. I did not want that car to be here. But today is gonna be a different type of video. I mean, of course you're gonna have my POV of driving and all, but we're gonna take pictures in fall with, of course, my beauty Genesis Coupe right there. We got a camera bag right here. We're shooting with the Canon camera today. It's nothing crazy, bro. Just a Canon camera with 75 to, well, what's the lens size on this? 75. I know it's 75, but 55 to 250. My bad. I didn't know it was 75. But yeah, we got a Canon camera. We're gonna go under the trees, find some places to shoot. Car doesn't look that dirty, bro. I'm not gonna lie. Honestly, we might have to go over it with the microfiber cloth, but I think we're kind of good, bro. Like, I don't think we might. I mean, I haven't washed it in a couple weeks, but I think we can get away with it, right? I don't know. Hopefully. We're still inside, bro. Once the sunlight hits, we'll really know. Yeah, not gonna lie, we might need to clean that up, but yeah. Alright, let's get straight to it, bro. Here we go. Clutch in. Turn that off. There you go. That's how it sounds. Sounds pretty nice. I mean, we're in the tunnel, might as well give it a rev. Hold up. Gotta let the neighbors know I'm leaving home, bro. Even if it's just for a few minutes. They have to know the king is leaving. I know the neighbors hate me, bro. I know you guys are not used to seeing me with traffic, bro. But I'm a smart driver when it comes to traffic. Like, I kind of find it fun. It's like, cause I feel like since I played so much Assetto Corsa, all those no hezzy servers, bro, like it actually helps you become a good driver. Of course, you're not gonna take the cuts you do on the game, bro, but like it helps real life, bro. You know what type of cuts you can take. Until a cop sees you take a cut, then you're cooked, bro. Then you can't go back to the lobby, bro. You're cooked. It's over. But yeah, you guys can see the trees though. Look at the trees. These are Canadian trees right here. That's why we're doing this video. Yeah, we got 2 cops coming in, bro. They look pretty angry too, bro. Damn, they're zooming, bro. It must be important. Yeah, they missed me. They missed me. Officer, I'm over here. I lied. Let me go through here, bro. We're at the car wash now, so now we're gonna start cleaning this whip right here. It doesn't look that dirty, bro. I'm not gonna lie, but you know, it's just a little rinse, and go for the $4. Alright, boys, it's time to dry this, bro. It's so much easier washing a car in the summer though, bro, because the heat just makes it all dry. Now I actually have to like really focus on the wet parts. It's okay though. That's the fun of it. Alright boys, I think car looks pretty clean. It's so windy right now, bro. My hands are freezing too. Fuck. Holy frig, it's so cold outside, bro. My hands are actually freezing. I have to put you guys on the chest, cause if I put you guys up on my head, it would have been so much more windier. I don't even know if it was like a montage or whatever. I don't know. I'll figure it out when I decide to edit. But yo, my hands are freezing. I wish this car had a heated steering wheel, bro. I've been wanting that for so long. I don't know if that, low-key, I think the aftermarket steering wheels get heated steering wheel, but I don't know, bro. Like, I mean, it is a 2013 after all, but still, like, yo, if a 2013 had heating steering wheel, that would low-key be good, especially from where I live, yo. Canada, holy, we need that, bro. I think it's about to take a wide turn too. Yup, I know my truckers, man. That's about to be a crazy one. His shoulder's not that long. I'm pretty sure he wants to get into there. Yeah, I'll make it happen. Oh, where are we going, bro? Where are we going? Oh, he's backing up. Let's see if he got it. Yeah, low-key, being a truck driver is low-key stressful, bro. It's low-key stressful. Because now he's holding up the whole road, bro. If he messes up here, you're cooked. And we have another trucker beside us. I think we're good, bro. We could start inching up. And that's the trailer. That's the loading dock right there. Oh, he got it. He got it. Very good. Very good. Take a right, I mean a left over here. I'm gonna take this. That truck is backing up. This is why I don't like driving when there's traffic on the road. This is why I prefer my nighttime drives. There's so much shit, like it's not like I can't keep up with the shit going on the road. Just I rather have a peaceful drive, bro. I rather have a peaceful drive. Just a straight road, no distractions. In the daytime, we just got all type of drivers, bro. I think if we could, yeah, I think I got it. You gotta low-key like come over this way. I think that's the picture right there. That's the picture. Gotta take one like this. Just like that. See if you can take a picture like this. Like over here. Let's try getting out, bro. I think hopefully the tire isn't sunk in, bro. Let's see what happens. Oh yeah, that's the picture. Look how, yo, look at the trees. That's so beautiful. Wait, let me turn my wheel the other way, bro. Yo, that's from the other shot we took, bro. We already got the car dirty, man. I'm so mad. We really got the car already dirty. Oh, just dry steered. Ah, that's bad. Look at the tires. We already got the car dirty, man. But hopefully, yo, low-key, this is a nice pick right here. You gotta lock in for it though. Gotta go like this way and take it that. The trees are so big, man. That's the thing though. the trees are so big that like it doesn't really come in the photo well. You gotta like take one more. Oh, it's so windy, bro. Hold up. I mean, that was an attempt. Let's see one more. Let's go find another place now, bro. It's so windy though, man. Alright boys, after some driving, I think we found our next spot. It's gonna be by these trees over here. I mean, that's mostly the best I could do in this area. I'll try finding somewhere else too after this spot, but I think this area would be good. But the only thing is that there is heavily guarded security here, so we gotta make this quick, bro. We gotta make this super quick. I'm thinking that, oh my god, that's low-key the tree I want. Those are the trees I wanted, man. Alright, let's see if we can get one like this over here. Quickly hop out and take a few pictures. Oh, we gotta make this quick. Oh, I had it right the first way, man. Turn the wheels back. So much for doing it fast, bro. We're definitely getting kicked out of this place. I want to take a few more on the road. Yo, that's the pick. Hold up. Let's see if you can take it. Security's right there too. I wonder if he's gonna see it. Front end. Gotta take the back end over here. We gotta take the full picture from all the way here. That's the thing about having a big lens. You can go way further than your car is, bro, or where your subject is. So like right here. I hear some cars rolling. See what happens. And we gotta take some over like this. Just like that. Oh fuck. Yo, I thought the car was behind me. Yeah. My bad, twin. My bad, my bad. Whole time I thought the truck was behind me, bro. I didn't know he was right beside me waiting for me to leave, bro. My bad. Low key, I just want to get one more over here and not get interrupted, please. Let me get one more, bro. One more. Alright, here we go. One more time. Camera's already on. Just gotta point and shoot. There we go. Low-key, this might be the best one yet. Only cause there's an evergreen tree right behind us. Yup. To be honest, this might even be the thumbnail. Oh no, there's another car coming. They're so tired of me, bro. That guy just gave me the rudest stare. There we go. Maybe from the side. Do we want to do side? Oh, the grass is so wet. My socks are super wet. Ooh, low-key. This might be the pick. Low-key, low-key, high-key, low-key. Right here from the center. Bang. Just like that. And then the front. Just like that. Let's get one from the back and then we can dip out of here before another truck comes in. Alright, last last one. Here we go. Oh, I did not know the wheel was turned right. We got a dip. So I don't think we're gonna take another photo location, but wait, what did I just say? Yo, sometimes I just be saying things. I don't think we're gonna go to another photo shoot place. Photo shoot place, nice. I don't think we're gonna go to another place to take a picture, right? But we're gonna drive down this road because I know the trees look beautiful here. I'm gonna give you guys a nice POV drive. Holy, look at, you guys see that? Oh my god, that was beautiful too. I'm gonna give you guys a nice POV of the trees. I look at want the windows down too. Hold up, we're gonna get like half windows down. Sun's about to set. That means we will have to end the video here, boys. Honestly, we had a pretty progressive day, bro. We cleaned the car and we got it dirty again, but it's okay. We cleaned the car, we went to 3 different spots to take pictures, and then we had a POV video, you know, to clear and relax the mind. And yeah, damn, look at the leaves falling and stuff. That's crazy. Oh yeah, it's Halloween. Yo, these kids are in their Christmas costumes. I mean, what? I mean, they're in their Halloween costumes. Anyways, yeah, week's video. See you guys in the next video. And subscribe to the channel. Yo, last video you guys subscribed a lot, so like, yo, we jumped up subscribers. Let's see if we can hit 100 subscribers by the end of November. And yo, that's the milestone. 100 subscribers. Yo, I'm gonna have to do something, get a tune on the car, maybe, who knows. But yeah, that's the video, and I'll see you guys next week. Bye bye.